All right, this is one of those little bow tie problems. So the idea is that these two triangles are similar to each other, all right, the little one and the big one. And so what we need to do is draw up a proportion like this in order to solve for x. All right, so what I did was I said the short side of the little triangle corresponds to the short side of the big triangle. All right, so the x corresponds to the x plus 6. And then I said the 12 corresponds to the 27. Okay. So notice my numerator for both sides of the equation, it has the smaller triangle in mind, smaller triangle, and my denominator is set up for the larger triangle. Okay. So you wouldn't want to put like the short side of the little triangle here and then the large side of the larger triangle up here. All right, that's my setup, and I'm going to cross multiply in order to solve it. All right, x times 27 will give me 27x, and then it's going to be 12 times this entire thing right here. So I got to do 12 times x, which is 12x, and I got to do 12 times 6, which is 72. All right, to solve it, just move your 12x over to the left side. You'll get 15x equals 72. And then I need to divide by 15. 72 divided by 15, that's 4.8. Okay, x is equal to 4.8, or 72 over 15. If I divided by 3, what would that be? That would be 24 over 5. Yeah. All right. Either one of those is good for your answer. Next, number 7. Another one of those bow tie problems. All right, the proportion for this one, what I'm going to do is I'll say my 3x corresponds to my 24. That's like the base to the base. And then I'll say the 18 corresponds to the 20. Okay. So notice the 18 is like up and to the left of my base. And then if I rotated this triangle, the 20 would be up and to the left from my base as well. So I'll say 3x corresponds to 24, and I'll say 18 corresponds to 20. All right, you could cross multiply, solve it that way. What I'm going to do is simplify both of these fractions real quick. I can simplify this one by 3, so it's going to be x over 8. I can simplify this one by 2, so it'd be 9 over 10. Just makes the numbers easier for me. I get 10x, 8 times 9 is 72, and then divide by 10, you'll get 7.2. Cool. All right, number 8. All right, so these two triangles are similar, but I guess like one's kind of reflected is what the idea is. So like these two angles right here are the same. My proportion, I could do 9 over 15 and x over 35. What I'm going to do is 9 is to x as 15 is to 35. Cross multiply, actually I am going to simplify 15 and 35 by 5. That'd be 3 and a 7. Okay. All right, now if I cross multiply, I'll get 3x. 9 times 7 is 63. And then divide by 3. And you'll get x equals 21. Cool. Number 8. And yep, that's good for this one.